So it's no secret, every single iPhone person out there pretty much is super obsessed about their battery health, me included. A couple of weeks ago or something like that, I saw a bunch of people on my Twitter feed kind of, showcasing, hey, show me how much battery percentage or battery health your iPhone has left. And I've been comparing my battery health against all the other iPhones that I've owned previously. And the last iPhone that I owned, my iPhone 12 Pro, had some massive battery degradation going on with it. And I finally found an answer for it. And I'm sure most of you know by now, the MagSafe wireless charger, and I think wireless charging your phone in general, causes so much degradation for your phone, and I will honestly never understand why this is the case. It has constantly caused me so many issues, and I will never understand why this is going on. And most recently, I switched over to my 13 Pro, and I'm going to be honest, I have not even wirelessly charged my phone that much since buying this device. I've pretty much put all my wireless chargers aside, including my MagSafe wireless charger, and even though I have that Apple case that supports wireless charging, I will still not use a wireless charger. Now, the other day, I actually went ahead and kind of messed around with it, and I put my MagSafe wireless charger on my Apple case, for, the phone to be charged, and I found that wireless charger was still overheating my phone an insane amount, and it was so uncomfortable actually holding that phone. I don't want to say it was like burning my hand, but it was some serious discomfort. It was kind of uncomfortable, and that is pretty much the main issue why these devices, like the iPhone 12 Pro, for example, saw some massive degradation. Now, I don't know for 100% fact if it is the wireless charger, but it's been kind of known that wireless chargers do degrade battery faster. Now, if you look at something like a fast charging USB Type-C port, every single time I've plugged my iPhone into a fast charger, very rarely does that phone overheat. Now, it may still get a little hot, but it's nothing compared to that wireless charger. Having that puck on the back of your iPhone and letting that iPhone just heat up like crazy is one of the most annoying things ever. And if you're trying to keep your iPhone for as long as possible, not using a wireless charger is one of the best things you can do. Personally, after I stopped using a wireless charger on my 12 Pro, I noticed that the battery health pretty much stopped, was pretty much where it was supposed to be with my iPhone 13 Pro. And that iPhone 12 Pro battery didn't go down anymore after that, which is good. After I stopped using a wireless charger, with my 13 Pro, I have not used a wireless charger on it, and I'm still at a pretty decent battery health, which is good. I'm at 100%. I don't think it's going to go down hopefully anytime soon, but overall, what I will tell you, not using a wireless charger is pretty much going to go ahead and fix those issues for you. So that's pretty much my main thing to say. Overall, avoid using wireless chargers on your iPhone. In my opinion, they destroyed my iPhone 12 Pro. They completely ruined it. And I'm going to tell you, if you have an iPhone or even an Android, using a wireless charger is pretty much destroying your battery. And I would highly recommend staying away from wireless chargers, stay away from the MagSafe charger, and stick with plugging your phone to an actual USB port, because that's going to keep your phone healthy for the longest amount of time. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.